welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to show you how to replace a leaky shower head. Unfortunately, the only way to fix a leaky shower head is to just replace the shower head itself. All right, so the two tools that you need is a, what is this called?
Teflon tape.
Teflon tape. Okay, and
channel locks.
Channel locks. So these are the two tools. So these are the two tools that you would need for this video. So if you want to know how to replace a shower head, which is fixing a shower leak, keep watching this video. All right guys, so here's our shower head. We're going to remove this one because let's say it's leaking. So
yeah, right there.
I'm going to unscrew it right here.
Which way do you turn it?
To the left to take it off, right? So I'm going to turn it this way.
Yep.
All right. Wait, hold on. Let me. I feel like I could. Oh.
Whoa.
Okay. All right, so I just took that off. All right, so first we're going to use our, what is this called again, Chris?
Teflon tape.
Teflon tape. All right, so just wrap it around this.
Put it clockwise.
So what is this doing actually?
That is stopping the water from leaking out of the threads.
Oh, okay. So how much do I use?
That's enough.
That's enough? So just cut it with my fingers?
Pull it.
Oh,
and
okay.
then push that on there really tight into the thread.
Like this? Okay. All right.
Just go all the way around it, push it in. Into the threads. Push hard, like this.
Like this? Oh, okay. So we're just gonna push that in, like so.
Now you're gonna...
So we're gonna go ahead and place this piece on here first. Now we're going to place this piece on.
Make sure it's straight so they don't cross thread it.
Okay. Make sure it's nice and tight.
Don't break it.
Not too tight because you don't want to break it. That's good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and place this piece on.
Don't cross thread it.
Like this?
And then screw it together. And tighten that one down. And that's it.
And there we go. Why are you trying to fail in my video? And
I'm about to photobomb you.
and that's how you replace or upgrade your shower head. If you like videos like this, definitely subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.